I'm here at Offshore Europe 2015. I'm with Les Stockan, who's the sales manager for CP Cases Scotland. Les, thank you very much for joining us today, this afternoon on the show here. Could you give us a few details, some of the products that your company provides and how they relate to the oil and gas industry?
CP Cases Scotland being a local company, we've found that the oil industry, being on our doorstep, relies heavily on protective cases. We provide a range of cases from timber crates right through to pellet cases with design cut foam inserts to protect delicate, expensive materials. We go from these cases right through to the Amazon range, which is the heavier duty case, heavily used by the MOD, but rapidly being used by a lot of oil companies for long-term external storage.
This equipment, the cases you're building, Les, I mean, I take it because equipment that goes into it is worth hundreds of thousands of pounds sometimes, and probably more than that a lot of the time. So it's so important for the companies to ensure that you've got cases like yours that takes care of it and make sure it doesn't get damaged in transit.
Certainly is. The inconveniences caused by items being damaged in transit can cost oil companies valuable time, downtime on the oil rigs, etc. So it is imperative that they use the correct product to protect their item to get from Aberdeen to offshore, etc., or anywhere in the world.
Oil and gas, obviously a big part of your business, Les, but I mean it's not just oil and gas. Anyone that needs protective cases for transit, I think, involved in a lot of industries.
And then from museums with artefacts, hospitals that have body parts, dare I say, to be transported. So there is lots of industries that we are involved in, not just oil and gas, but it is our main area. But yeah, various companies that we use.
A success story for a local Aberdeen company, Les. I mean, it's great we're here in Aberdeen, obviously it's a worldwide global conference here, but a local Aberdeen company doing well and showing their products to a global audience. I mean, that's a positive story for the city.
Yeah, it's a successful 15 years that we've been in Aberdeen, progressively moved from different sites in Aberdeen as the business has expanded and grown. We are based just across the road, so it's handy for anyone to come and have a visit to the factory and get fresh ideas themselves for their own products.
How important is an event like Offshore Europe for your company? Because you're a local Aberdeen company, but making sure that you can reach a global audience in an event like this, people from all over the world coming here.
Yeah, I mean, obviously the internet makes the world a very small place, but to have an event like this, I mean, people can come up, they can touch, they can feel, they can see the products, and we can then follow on with after visits or emailing them if necessary to countries as far as Japan, Brazil, etc. We've had some serious inquiries from this year. If we didn't attend this show, we wouldn't have that same opportunity.
And you mentioned obviously interest already. How's it been for you so far, the few days so far?
It's been very successful for us. We were a bit optimistic with the downturn in the oil industry, but thankfully it's been an unexpected surprise how busy we've actually been.
Les, thank you very much for joining us today. Thanks very much.
No problem, thank you.